Before the humans were hybridized here, what was the Earth like? Is it like we were told about dinosaurs and, I mean...
Well, it depends on what era you're talking about. I mean, you have, as scientists, a relatively good idea, in general, of the different epochs that existed on your planet and what kind of life forms existed in them. You are missing some pieces, but not too many. But you're learning more about that. But again, remember, the idea of the hominids that existed before the Anunnaki injected their DNA were not human in the sense that you understand it. They were humanoid or human-like hominids, but not actually Homo sapiens. It took the Anunnaki genetics to turn the hominid that existed naturally on your planet, that evolved naturally on your planet, into what you now consider yourselves to be as Homo sapiens, as human beings.
So interesting, the timing of the beings that they chose to use to hybridize would all be dependent on the level of evolution that we had achieved at that particular stage.
In some senses, yes, although there was quite a wide window there, because remember, they visited your planet several hundreds of thousands of years ago. So there was quite a long window of the idea of humanoid or hominid species existing on your planet for millions of years before they arrived. They knew it might be likely that they might find such life because of what you call panspermia, where different kinds of genetic material, DNA, is delivered to different planets on comets and asteroids and meteors. And thus it is not uncommon in certain sections of the galaxy to find somewhat similar life on a variety of planets, even though there may be vast differences. Certain sections are seeded in certain ways, and therefore there are clusters of planets within the galaxies when they are capable of harboring life that have some similarity between them, whereas in other clusters there may be a very different kind of life that was seeded from a different source altogether in the galaxy. But you will find that the idea of certain similarities exists not just on individual isolated planets, but on clusters of planets within the galaxy because of the way in which certain genetic material from different kinds of beings were spread throughout the galaxy.